Hello students, today we are going to solve 22nd problem. Question is given as a circular curve of radius r connects two straights with a deflection angle of 60 degree. The tangent length is. Now we need to compute the tangent length for this problem. We know that the formula of tangent length will be equals to r tan phi by 2. Here the value of deflection angle is 60 degrees, so it will be equals to r tan 60 by 2. On solving this, we will get the value of tangent length as 0.577 r. That will be the value of tangent length. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.